you wanna be with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna stay with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna lay with him, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. He ain't real. Why you so in love with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you gotta fuck with him, baby? Naomi, Marie, yeah. Naomi, Marie, yeah. Naomi, Marie, yeah. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquette on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. Before we even get into the details and specs of this hair, be sure to subscribe down below, press the subscribe button, tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. So first things first, this wig was sent to me by Delight Braided Wigs, and they have a whole bunch of different selections. You can get the spring twist, the fox locks, box braids, knotless braids, jumbo braids, whatever kind of braids you want, the braids on the scalp, all of that. So I highly suggest you guys go check them out. I'll have all the information in my description box. But personal thoughts on this hair, everything was so neat and so like perfect. Like you can literally see like scalp everywhere. However, like it does have some black dots, but honestly I'm not even too pressed to go back and bleach them because I think it came out just fine without me doing it. So this is my finished product, as you all can see. I really feel like you won't even have any problems with this because it's spring twist, so you know. So if you guys would like to see how I put on this wig and styled it, be sure to keep on watching.
Why you wanna be with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna stay with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna lay with him, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. He ain't real. Why you so in love with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you gotta fuck with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you just don't fuck with me, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. Why we gotta play this game of monkey in the middle? Don't know how you even like this nigga a little. How did you and him even meet? Where did you get him? And he don't even compare to me, so why is you with him? Oh no, I'm not even about to let you go for it. Why should I let you when you deserve more? Why should I sit back and watch you hurt more? And even when I'm gone and we're in different time zones, girl, you better know you're still mine. And I don't care how you feel, don't give a fuck how you feel. He already know that, baby, I'm wrong for FaceTime in your phone, but I didn't know that he was around. And I don't care how you feel, I only care how you feel. No, he ain't real. Why you wanna be with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna stay with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna lay with him, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. He ain't real. Why you so in love with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you gotta fuck with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you just don't fuck with me, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. He ain't what you want. He ain't what you need. Baby, just pick up and leave. Cause you coming with me. You coming with me. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Me and you supposed to be together. You know you can do better. No, and even when I'm gone and we're in different time zones, girl, you better know you're still mine. And I don't care how you feel, don't give a fuck how you feel. He already know that, baby, I'm wrong for FaceTime in your phone, but I didn't know that he was around. And I don't care how you feel, I only care how you feel. No, he ain't real. Why you wanna be with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna stay with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna lay with him, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. He ain't ain't real enough. Why you so in love with him, baby? He ain't real enough. Why you gotta fuck with him, baby? He ain't real enough. Why you just don't fuck with me, baby? He ain't real enough. He ain't real enough. Why you wanna be with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna stay with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you wanna lay with him, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. He ain't real. Why you so in love with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you gotta fuck with him, baby? He ain't real. Why you just don't fuck with me, baby? He ain't real. He ain't real. Why we gotta play this game of monkey in the middle? Don't know how you even like this nigga a little. How did you and him even meet? Where did you get him? And he don't even compare to me, so why is you with him? Oh no, I'm not even about to let you go for it. Why should I let you when you deserve more? Why should I sit back and watch you hurt more? And even when I'm gone and we're in different time zones, girl, you better know you're still mine.
Welcome back. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think about this. Honestly, I literally love this, and this is something that I definitely will wear more than once for sure. That's gonna be all for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.